Okay, today's video is about the truth of detoxification. I've seen this scenario play out many times. What happens is this. A person will say, hey, I want to clean up my diet. I want to get healthy. I want to lose some weight. I want to feel better. So what do? They start on a diet of raw fruits and vegetables. But then something discouraging happens. What is that? They don't feel well. They're getting headaches. They're getting an upset stomach. They're getting body aches and pains. So they immediately conclude, oh, it must be this raw food diet. I can't do it. I must be missing some important nutrient that I'm not getting from this diet. I need to eat meat to feel better. And that's not the case. What's happening is your body is going through the natural process of detoxification, and when you don't understand it, you think there's something wrong, seriously wrong. So you've got to understand what it is. One of my subscribers, her name is Manon. I hope I said that right, Manon. It sounds like a French name. And the comment she made was this. I started a raw vegan diet 3 months ago, and I had headaches constantly. And now, 3 months later, it's gone. Okay, congrats to you, Manon. Great job, you stayed the course. She embraced detoxification. Okay, that's very good. And if she had, what she did actually, she created new and stronger cells in her body. If she, after 1 or 2 weeks of headaches, if she had said, oh, this is not for me, she could have bigger problems down the road with her headaches, and even worse. So, the question is, what is it that brings about detoxification? Now, it's not the raw fruits and the vegetables, okay? They're simply the foods that we are designed to eat. You got to realize this also, though, that consuming raw fruits and vegetables provides the body with the necessary energy. It's all about energy. And when you're eating raw fruits and vegetables, your body now has the energy to relieve itself of the toxins that have built up, and most times are suspended in water. That's why some people, when they first go on a raw food diet, and this is serious, I'm telling you, people can lose 25 to 40 pounds in 1 week. Yes, it's true, on a raw food diet. And the reason for that is because a pint of water weighs a pound. And basically what they're losing is water retention, water that has been keeping toxins in suspension. That's amazing, 25, 40 pounds in 1 week. It's not fat that they're losing. To lose 1 pound of fat in a week, you would have to be very active, exercising pretty intense every day to lose 1 pound per week, which is still not bad. So if you go on a raw food diet and you're getting that, and raw food diet makes you want to exercise, you're going to have more energy. If you still have body fat, you can lose 1 pound a week by walking, jogging, whatever you're going to do for exercise. So we have to remember that it's the liver and the kidneys are always working to detoxify us. And when we're on a SAD diet, standard American diet, we are getting congestion in the body, stagnation, things are not flowing properly. And there's so much energy that's expended when you're on a SAD diet, just in the digestion of it and the elimination. So you're losing a lot of energy. So the kidneys and the liver are working overtime just to keep up, because we are constantly ingesting more toxins than we can eliminate. However, on the other hand, when we switch to a raw food diet, the liver and the kidneys now have a chance to catch up. There's more energy because the body is not being congested. The bowel activity is moving so freely and very, very well. So, you know, your transit time of your food and your elimination is much quicker. And with raw foods, it's much, much easier to digest fruit and vegetables than to digest meat, chicken, cheese, things like that, which take so much longer and create that congestion and that stagnation. So raw fruits and vegetables are the way to go, no doubt about it. But they are not the detoxifiers. It's your body's natural, the way we were created. It's the natural function of your body to get rid of toxins. And finally, when you're on raw fruits and vegetables, your body has that energy to do it. But like Manon, you have to stay the course. And like me, because I'm still dealing with skin issues. And I've been on this diet for 14 years, okay? But I know if I didn't stay on it, things would get worse for me, okay? And, you know, so it takes time. It depends on how old you are. Like me, I didn't start till I was 58. So I had 58 years, over close to 6 decades of hamburgers, French fries, pizza, salami, Wonder Bread, mayonnaise, you know. So anyway, it's the body, the way we were created. That's what throws off. That is, the body is the true detoxifier. All the best, guys. Please give me a like, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel. Any questions or comments, you know what to do. And I hope you know you got to do this also. Fruit up, baby.